Hi, I'll show you how to use this AI recruitment and onboarding system to streamline your hiring and your recruitment process. This AI automation system is capable of saving you time and saving you costs and speeding up the process of your hiring and your recruitment process. My name is Prince Oludoha Kosochukwu. I'm the founder of TaskWork AI, and we specialize in creating AI automation solutions and systems for business owners to save them time, to save them costs, and to streamline their business. So let me show you how to make use of this system so you can use the system to enhance your recruitment approach and your recruitment process. Okay, this automation system has two interfaces. This is the front end, the job posting landing page. This is where all your open positions shall be posted and can be viewed by the applicants. This is your landing page. This is everything about your company. You can change this. I just wrote down this one. I just typed down this one just to fill this up. And these are the open positions in your company. AI engineer, sustainability consultant, UX UI designer, and these are the peaks and benefits of working in your company, and these are the values of your company. And this is the front end. This is where the applicants will go up, or rather will go in and fill in their information and their details about themselves. And this is the back end, the recruiting dashboard. When an applicant fills up or fills out his or her form, it should show here. It will appear here. This is the interview dashboard where you can commence your interviews and where you can streamline your interviews. This is the open positions in your company, just like we saw here in the landing page. Anything you do here at the back end reflects here at the front end. I'll be showing you that in a minute. This is the onboarding report. Let's say you successfully interviewed an applicant and the applicant is now ready to work with your company. This is where you can go ahead with the onboarding system to streamline the process of the applicant working with you and in your company. So this is the onboarding tracking database. So I'll be showing how this system operates and how you can make the best out of this system. Let me apply for this job. Okay, this is the job posting landing page. This is all the details about your company and about the application. So let me just go ahead and apply to an open position here. AI engineer. Let me apply as an AI engineer here. Okay, these are all the details. Department engineering, employment type, part-time, hiring manager. I used my email, so you can change it. Job description, design, develop, implement. Job status in progress, location Chicago, remote partially, requires skills Python, Java, salary range $20,000, assuming company website. This should be your company website. Application deadline from 6th 2025 to May 16th. All right, that's good. So these are the responsibilities and the requirements. So let me now go ahead and apply as an AI engineer. So the application form should be here. Okay, this is the application form. Role, my name, Prince Oludoha. Prince Oludoha. Prince Oludoha. Kosisa. But I put K for Kosisa. Email address, Kosisa. Gmail.com. My phone number. Personal website, Kosi.com. LinkedIn. I don't have it at mind, so let me just go ahead. LinkedIn.com. Then my CV. I'll upload any document I can see. Okay, just for the sake of this. My cover letter. I'll upload my cover letter. Okay, I'll upload my cover letter. Salary expectation. Let me say $30,000. Are you authorized to work in the USA without the need of a work or visa sponsor? I'm authorized. Assuming. Why do you want to work with us? To gain more experience. Experience. And I'll submit. So this is the front end. Yeah, this is the job posting landing page. Now I've applied to be an AI engineer in your firm. So now let me go towards the back end. Okay, this is the back end of the system. After the application has been submitted by the applicant, this is the database. This is the applicant's database. We have multiple columns. The new column in review, to interview, interviewing, send offer, rejected, and offer accepted. These are the columns and the tables. When the application has been submitted by the applicant, there's an automation that is triggered behind the scene that sends a confirmation email to the applicant. That's to me now, to my email. And a confirmation message will be sent to me regarding this application and also giving me further information on what to do and next action in line. So I'll go ahead now to check my email to know if this email came to my email. Okay, so this is my email, and this is the confirmation email that I got from ABCD, your company recruitment. He sent it through my email. That's TaskWork Artificial Intelligence, my company's email, because I was using it to create this system. So the email says, "Hi, Prince Oludoake. Thank you for your application. Our team is going through it and will give you an update within 1 week concerning your application. Best regards. ABCD, your company name." I'll say thank you for your response. Then automatically you yourself you'll see the email in your mailbox. So let me go back to the back end because an automation is already going on now. So this is the automation. As you remember, it was here as a new application. Now it's under review because I sent a confirmation to the email. So it's under review now automatically. So everything under this database goes automatically. So I'll be showing you how it goes right now. So after you've gone through the documents from the application, you can move to interview if it's a match. If it's not a match, you reject it immediately or automatically. So let me go to interview because it's a match. So I've moved to interview. When I set this to interview, I also set the interview date. So an automation will be triggered behind the scene that will send an invitation link and a schedule link of the interview date to Prince Oludoha now. Today is the 7th, so I'll set the date to 13th of May. That's when the interview should commence. Right now, an automation will be sent to Prince Oludoha now, indicating the schedule of the interview. So let me check my email. Okay, this is my email. So the email just came in now. Congratulations, you have been selected for an interview with ABCD, your company. Hi, Prince Oludoake. After going through your application, we found it positive and we are hoping we can commence an interview with you to know more about you and know who you are, and to know if you're a good fit for the job. The interview has been scheduled on the dates that we selected. Please bring your best as we will be hoping for it. Good luck. Best regards, ABCD, your company. So let me show you the automation behind this on make.com. Okay, so assuming you've gone through the application from Prince Oludoha, you can click here to view all the details about the application and you want to begin the interview with Prince Oludoha. If you want to begin the interview, just click here, start interview. After the interview or during the interview, you can use this session under Prince Oludoha, under the applicant, to grade the interview between you and the applicant. If the applicant communicates well, you can grade it from 0 to 10. So if the applicant has a good communication skill, you can maybe say 7 or 8, depending. Culture match, depending on your company's policy. Culture match, you can grade it 9. Experience, maybe 9, depending on the interview. The potential, you can grade it 8. You get the idea. Then the verdict, strong, yes, strong, no. Strong, yes. Okay. Then you can now put down your feedback depending on how the interview goes. Okay. This is the interview notes, the past experience of the applicant, the culture fit, and the motivation. So this application gives you a detailed way of streamlining your recruitment and hiring process. So this is the interview. You'll see the verdict and the information about the interview with the applicant here. It will automatically create a table column for the applicant. And before the interview and after the interview, automations will be triggered. Before the interview, an email will be sent to the applicant on the scheduling of the interview. And after the interview, then an email will be sent to the applicant also acknowledging the interview and giving the applicants detailed information about the next subsequent things to do, either to wait or hang on for the company to make its decision before giving the applicant more details. So these are the two automations that are happening in the background. So if the interview is successful and you like how the interview went, you can go ahead and send the offers by clicking here. You can go ahead and send maybe the policy of your company and the code of conduct, the employment contract if you wish. Let me just upload the file, or you can embed a link. Then if you want to send the offer to the client automatically, you just have to select this to send offer, change this to send offer, the drop down. The documents that you uploaded will be sent directly to the contact, that's the applicant's contact. So I'll be checking my email now to know if these documents came into my email. So the documents came into my email. Congratulations, your contract with ABCD, your company is here. So this is the email that I received. Hi, Prince Olodake. What a great interview we had. This is the employment contract and the documents you uploaded. So now once the applicant has agreed to the contract and signed the contract with you, then you can now move the applicant to the onboarding system if you wish, or you can also reject the applicant if you wish. So let me show you the onboarding system right away. So we are back to the back end. So I'll be showing you the onboarding system. This is the HR individual onboarding system, and this is where all the applicants that has come through from your interview, this is where all they will be. So let me send Kosi Prince Oludoha to the onboarding dashboard. So right here, I can automatically click this. I can click here. I can either change this status to offer accepted, or I can begin employee onboarding. Okay, let me go ahead and begin on employee onboarding. So I click this button over here. Automatically, it should be sent to the onboarding system, and this is it. So all I have to do is now place it under the department it is. It's under, or rather, he is under AI engineering. So I'll place him under the department AI engineering. Onboarding date, fixing the date, 8th of May. As an example, 8th of May. If there's any profile picture of the applicant, now your worker, your employee, you can upload it here. So this application also has an onboarding dashboard or database where you can streamline all the individuals and all the applicants that you've hired so far. So I just made a quick short video on how to make use of this automation system to streamline your recruitment and hiring process. This will save you time, to save you stress, to save you headaches, and it has multiple automations working behind it to ensure that it's successful. So this automation has all it takes to give a successful and a stress-free recruitment and hiring process. Okay, now, so let me show you how you can create a job posting so it will reflect on your front page, on your job posting front page, where you can now share on LinkedIn, share on your website or anywhere. If you want to create a new job posting from your back end, you will just click here, add new page. Let's say there's a vacant role for electrical engineering in your company. Under engineering, you can create a department. You can delete this department, or you can just select anyone here. I've already done this for you. Employment type, full-time or part-time. Let's say full-time. Hiring manager, you can invite anybody or you can become the hiring manager yourself. Job description, you write your job description. Job status, in progress. Location, you can add new location or you can select from the ones here. Let's say Chicago, or let's say California. Let me add a new location. I'll just type in California. Let's say remote. No. Required skills. You can add new skills. Electrical science, depending on what you want. $30,000. Your company website, abcdyourcompany.com. Application deadline, date. Application starts from today, the 8th, till the 15th of May. So automatically, then I can put in the requirements or the responsibilities, anything I want to type here. When we save it, automatically, this page has been created in the front end. So going to the front end now to see this page that has been created now. So this is the front end. So as you can see, it's appeared there, electrical engineering, and an applicant can go through this application or this vacancy now and get the details of this vacancy. Applicants can apply here as well, and it will automatically begin this process. You can also delete it as well if you wish to. So this is how you can make use of this recruiting and hiring process or onboarding system to streamline your process, your recruitment process, and save you time and save you cost. Thank you for staying so far. It's an honor. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you can be getting more information and more AI solutions for your systems and for your business to streamline your business. Stay tuned to this channel and you will get more details on how to streamline and make your job process easier for you. Thank you for watching and I appreciate